Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add an image carousel to your WordPress website in 2025. So whether you want to showcase a gallery, testimonials or product images, it is super easy with the right plugin. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, hover over to the left hand section and you need to hover over to plugins basically. Then click on the option of add plugins. Over here, the plugin that you need to install and active is called Smart Slider 3. So it is one of the best free carousel plugins available. So you need to install and activate it successfully. Once it is activated successfully, you will find it in the left hand section. So here we have it. Click on the dashboard option. Now inside your dashboard, you need to simply create a new project. So click on the new project option and now you can name it something like slider. So you can name it something like image carousel. Now click on the create option. You can just rearrange them, add the texts and the overlays and even animations if you want. So you can do a bunch of different things over here on this page. Now in the sliders setting, you need to basically choose the carousel mode and set the number of slides that you want. So after doing this thing, you can basically just preview the slider and set the number of slides, and you can just simply check whether it is showing you in the mobile mode and in the desktop mode, etc. So once it is successful, click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can also copy a short code for your carousel. Now you need to go to the pages and click on the option of all pages. Over here you need to click on the edit option of any of your desired pages and paste the short code where you want the carousel to appear, or you can also use the Smart Slider 3 block if you are using the block editor. Once you are done, click on the publish option or the update option in the top right hand corner of the screen and your carousel will be ready. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.